Finance example 19. The O'Malleys are purchasing their first home and will be taking out a mortgage for $180,000. Well, first of all, since we're talking about purchasing a home, we know that it's going to be the loan formula. So the mortgage, that's going to be the principal. We're taking out a $180,000 mortgage. The interest rate was 4.25%, so 0.0425, that's better. And the loan is for 30 years. Our time is 30. And we know what we want to know what the monthly payment will be. It is customary to pay a monthly payment for your house. All right, so if we let the $180,000 be the principal, we are looking for the monthly payment. So that's 1 minus 1 plus 0.0425 divided by 12 raised to the negative. Now that 30 times the 12 right here is going to give us 360. And let me go ahead and close that parentheses here. Then that'll be divided by 0.0425, that quantity divided by 12. All right, we've done something like this before, haven't we? And we had mentioned that is a good idea to calculate this amount, store it in for X, or if you do not have that capability, to write it down to quite a few decimal places. And then we're going to divide that 180,000 by whatever you get for this quantity. Okay, so when I put in my calculator, or really any calculator for that matter, I get a number I can hardly read. Let me see, $885.49. Okay, so as you turn the page, I think you'll see that this is a and B, and also clearly when you see something as a part A, you're going to assume that there's other parts. So they want to know how much interest they will pay. So remember that the O'Malleys originally borrowed $180,000. That's their principal. Okay, that's so they want to know how much interest did they pay. All right, so for the house, they are paying the bank $885.49. They are doing this every single month for 30 years. Okay, so again, this is going to include, when you pay that monthly payment there, that includes the amount that you borrowed and the interest. All right, so what I get for that is $318,776.40. All right, so what I will do now is I will subtract this minus this amount right here. So again, what I am writing down right now is all that you paid back for the amount that you borrowed and interest. This right here is how much you borrowed. So for the life of the loan, you're going to end up paying $138,776.40 for interest alone.